Alright, so here's the guide rail in a little bit more detail. We've got a 4080 aluminum extrusion for the main fence, which is separated in two pods. It's got like a main fence pod and it's got a secondary bracket over here. That's connected through an aluminum plate on the top and a few steel plates on the front, which is levers. And these levers lock it down to a 40/40 frame, which is bolted to the side of the main table. We've got a 40/40 frame on the back as well, which also has a lever to correspond for any skewness in the main reel, which is, it's quite minimal actually, but there is always some play, probably just merely due to the length of the fence. So yeah, I got pretty much all the parts from aluxprofiel.nl, which I think is a Dutch company, but I'm pretty sure it'll ship pretty much everywhere in Europe. So yeah, that's basically it. Fence unlocks like this, shoves over really easily, shoves over back real easily. Easy lock, and that's about it. Then in addition to that, I've also built a riser fence, which is just two, what's it called, plywood boards glued and bolted together. It has hex bolts on the rear side, which have been grind down just a tad bit so it can slide in. And it slides in like that. And that fence is used for resawing mainly. Because that's basically it, I think. Hope that clears it all up. If you got any more questions, feel free to ask.